In the last video, we went over the copy by activation method. Today, I want to show you the most common method used, copy by OBD. If the vehicle supports it, the TS508 Wi-Fi will go in via the OBD socket and retrieve the original codes from the ECU, which will then allow us to paste them into the new Autel valve. Let me show you how that works. We now have the TS508 Wi-Fi plugged into the vehicle's OBD socket. We go to the advanced mode and select the make, model and year of the vehicle. Then we can scroll down to program sensor, and then we're going to retrieve those IDs via OBD. It's going to remind us that we need to have our ignition switched on and the OBD socket in the OBD port. This takes a few seconds, but once it's got them, it will show you the 4 sensors and their corresponding IDs. To copy the ID into the new Autel sensor, we just need to highlight the wheel that we are working on and then press yes. This can be done with the sensors outside of the wheel. It's probably the best way to do it, but what I'm going to show you today is how you would program them if they are already fitted to the wheel. So starting with the front left, I'm going to press yes. The tool will then go off and search for the new Autel valve. Once it's found it, it will then begin to start programming it. Okay, the beep indicates it's been programmed successfully. I now come to the front right, same process, highlight the front right sensor ID, press yes to search for the Autel valve. Autel valve is already fitted into the wheel. Once it finds it, it will begin to program it. Once it's programmed it, it will beep. Now I can go around and do the other 2 wheels on the vehicle. We have now successfully programmed 4 of the Autel rubber MX sensors into this vehicle using the TS508 Wi-Fi via the OBD method. All that's left to do on this now is a 20-minute road test and that light will go out. It's worth checking the relearn procedure on the tool for different manufacturers, as these instructions could be different.